Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you another Aldi haul. So to start with, checked out the cards. I've never bought any cards from Aldi before. These are really nice. They were 99 pence. Really good quality. That's just a plain thinking of you with love inside. I would say that is up to Hallmark's quality. It's gorgeous. It's really nice. Don't have a purpose for it, but I thought I've got to get it. And then this other one as well, similar sort of, can you see it's like textured? And that's just happy birthday, have a great day. Love those, so we'll be checking out the cards in the future. And then I saw this, the Liqueura Sensitive Shower Cream. So this is the same as, I'll pop a picture in now. That's one that Alan uses, he really likes that, but a lot more expensive than this beauty. So this was 89p, get 500 in there. They had a few different fragrances and I went for the sensitive type. So it's sensitive shower cream for healthy skin. Let's have a little smell, see what it smells like. Smells a bit similar to that other brand as well. So that is an absolute bargain. Got this on offer, £3.99 down from £6.99. It's just a grey king-size fitted sheet. I was really pleased with that. I think I've already bought one of these, so I think I might have pillowcases that match. If not, it's just a standard grey, isn't it? So I'll soon pick those up. But really pleased to see that for £3.99. Now, a couple of specials. I'm delighted to get some of these. So this one, I just had a look on the website and it's no longer available. And I've started using it and I really like it. It's the Liqueura face cream. I'm wondering if they might have just rebranded it in a different type of packaging, because they have brought out some new face creams recently, so I reckon that might be the case. So this was only £2.99. I really like it. It's very nourishing. It's a nice thick facial cream. So yeah, was really pleased to find that. And now doesn't appear that they've got any more, which is very annoying. See a lot of people talk about this. Mrs. Dudley, who's another YouTuber, I'm sure, in fact I know a lot of you watch because I've seen your comments under her videos sometimes. She raves about this. So it's the Liqueura Healthy Glow Rose Oil, nourishing face oil. I'm not overly keen on face oils, but because she said it was so good, I thought I'm going to have to get some to try it. So it's £3.99. It's in this gorgeous bottle. She absolutely loves it. She goes in and buys about 3 or 4 at a go at once. So I'm not keen on rose. So I'll be interested to see how I get on with this. It's only faint smell actually. So really, I don't like rose. I don't like oil. So one might question why I've even bothered. But I don't know if she uses it instead of a moisturiser actually, or whether she uses it underneath a moisturiser. Let's see what it says you're supposed to do. Use daily, both AM and PM, after cleansing and toning your face. Massage 2 to 3 drops into your skin, or you can add some to your moisturiser for extra hydration. Okay, so it's not a moisturiser on its own, it's one of the extra steps that, as we get older, we may well need. I don't know, what's your opinion on all that sort of stuff? I have been buying a lot of serums recently. I'm not sure if they're making a difference or not. Really pleased with how my skin is looking at the moment. I have been using, I did a video on it recently. I'll just pop a picture in now. So I did a collaboration with them and I've been using their serums and an eye cream and face cream, and yeah, I am pleased with how my skin is. So maybe all these extra bits are worth it. But yeah, absolutely, really recommend those products because, yeah, looking okay at the minute, aren't I? Considering I'm going on 47 now. Right, couple more bits. Okay, so I saw this. I hadn't seen this on anybody else's channel, but I think this is a dupe for the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, which I absolutely love, but that's about £22, something like that. So it's the Set and Forget 24-hour wear shaping and setting gel. Let's get that out and have a look to see if it's the same. So I really like using brow setting gels. A lot of people don't bother with them, but for me, I've actually got this on today. It's like a an actual gel, and my eyebrows haven't moved all day. Right, let's see what this looks like in comparison to see if it is a dupe. Yeah, it's a bit cheeky, isn't it, how they get away with doing this? Look at that. So the bottle's a different shape, but look, even the text is similar. It's very cheeky. See if the brush is... It's the brush that I really like in this, so I'll quickly show you what it's like. It's like a mascara one, but it's flat. And you wipe the product on your brow and then brush it through. Really, really like that product. Right, let's see. Ah, yes. It's very similar. So, if that's as good as the Benefit one, I shall be moving over to that. That was only £2.99 compared to over 20 quid. Yes, please, Aldi. Thank you very much. Fingers crossed it works as well. And then another dupe that I bought. Look at this. I'm delighted to get this. I saw this on another YouTuber's channel. I'll just pop a name in now. Just started watching her recently. I really like her. Similar to me, does very similar age. In fact, I think she's a little bit older than me, but does lots of hauls, beauty stuff, clothing stuff. And again, I know a few of you watch because I've seen your names in the comments. But she was going on about getting hold of this. So it is the Lacura. It's a blusher, so it's blush, and it's supposed to be a dupe for the NARS Orgasm blusher, which absolutely everybody loves. And I've not bought previously because it's just too expensive for a blusher. So this comes in two colours. I got the candy. There was also, I think there was like a peachy colour as well. So let's get it out and swatch it. Love that. That's like, I don't know if I can describe what that's like. It's matte, but it feels very nice. Right, here we go. Look at that. Lovely. So there's the colour. I think that is very, very similar to the NARS one. You get a nice little mirror. Let's put a little swatch on. Oh, that's lovely. That is going to be perfect for me. It's a lovely colour, and it's got a bit of, I think it's got like a bit of highlighter in it as well. So I might use that instead of blush and highlighter. So that was £4.99, so absolutely delighted with that one. So that's that one over. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that. That's quite a good haul, isn't it? Really pleased with all that one. So if you've enjoyed it, please do give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Drop me any comments down below. Let me know if you're going to be trying any of these products out. Or if you've tried them already. Again, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.